Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Pro 2 Facebook group. I'll have that coming right up. Got some exciting news I wanted to share with you. I didn't want to wait until another channel update. I went ahead today and created a new Facebook group for the DJI Mavic Pro 2. The name of the group is the DJI Mavic Pro 2 Owner Support Group USA Official. I will include a link to this in the description. I wanted this to be a place where you can talk about all things about the DJI Mavic Pro 2. Of course, any information or breaking news, I will be sure to get that out there. As you know, I've been covering the DJI Mavic Pro 2. I've had several videos of that, and I've posted a few of them out there. I'm going to post a few more, and I do have several pictures that I've also posted out there as well, too, of my DJI Mavic Pro in action. Just wanted to have a place for you guys to be able to freely discuss things until it comes. And then when it does come, I want this to be an open forum, an open communication, so you can be able to have any questions, comments, ideas, concerns. I want you guys to be able to use this as something to be able to ask, to share knowledge. I think this is a great place to do this. So it's out there, it's available. If you are already a member of some of the groups that I'm in, you can automatically come into this group by just clicking on the link. It'll be in the description. If not, you know, I go out there, I'm out there multiple times during the day. I'll make sure to get you in as soon as possible. I think that would be a great place, again, for you guys to be able to discuss something that I think is going to be an unbelievable drone. You would not believe the responses and questions I've been getting regarding the Mavic Pro 2. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything, of course, that's DJI or Autel related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter page where I post daily updates there as well. Thanks so much for watching and happy flying.